incredibly powerful tools and equipment that are on another level. In the ever-evolving landscape of industrial and technological advancements, certain tools and equipment stand out as paragons of innovation, engineering excellence, and sheer power. These are not just ordinary implements, but extraordinary creations that push the boundaries of what is conceivable. From hydraulic wonders to robotic demolishers, each tool in this extraordinary lineup is a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence and the transformative power of cutting-edge technology in shaping the industries they serve. Enerpac Uch Series. The Enerpac Uch series represents the zenith of hydraulic wrench technology, a masterpiece meticulously designed for precision and power in the demanding landscape of heavy-duty industrial applications. Leveraging hydraulic principles, this tool exemplifies controlled torque application, ensuring the reliable tightening and loosening of bolts and nuts. Its prowess is further elevated by digital controls, a testament to its technological sophistication, offering operators unparalleled torque precision and real-time monitoring capabilities. Crafted with a discerning eye for durability, the Uch series boasts robust construction using high-quality materials, making it the undisputed choice in industries where precision and strength are not mere luxuries but absolute necessities. PD3000. The PD3000 transcends the ordinary, standing tall as an exemplar of pneumatic drilling ingenuity. This high-performance pneumatic drill isn't just a tool. It's a symphony of engineering excellence crafted to redefine the benchmarks of speed and power in drilling operations. Operating on the core principles of pneumatic power, the PD3000 orchestrates drilling with exceptional speed and surgical precision, making it an indispensable asset across a diverse range of materials. Its ergonomic design is a work of art, featuring meticulously designed handles and vibration-dampening mechanisms that speak to a commitment to operator comfort during prolonged and arduous drilling tasks. Sember CSEU. The Sember CSEU stands as an unparalleled force in the realm of electrical crimping tools, a technological marvel revered in the electrical and telecommunications spheres. Renowned for its ability to create secure and reliable electrical connections, the CSEU employs a crimping process that can only be described as an intricate dance of precision. Its design is a symphony of user-centric engineering, with ergonomic handles and intuitive controls that transform the crimping process into a seamless and intuitive experience. Versatility is the hallmark of the CSEU, effortlessly handling a myriad of crimping tasks and earning its place as an indispensable companion for professionals engaged in the intricate dance of electrical installations. ErgoGo. The ErgoGo is not just a lifting and handling system. It is a groundbreaking paradigm shift, a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence in material handling operations. This technological marvel seamlessly integrates advanced sensors and intelligent lifting mechanisms, effectively transforming lifting into an art form. The user-friendly interface is akin to a conductor's baton, placing precision control at the operator's fingertips and orchestrating a harmonious symphony of lifting efficiency. Darta Splitter C. The Darta Splitter C emerges as a titan in the world of concrete and rock demolition, embodying a revolutionary approach to breaking and splitting challenging materials. This hydraulic rock and concrete splitter redefined precision in demolition tasks. Operating on hydraulic power, it delivers controlled and targeted force to cleave through concrete and rock surfaces with surgical precision. The Darta Splitter C is not just a tool, it's a testament to engineering finesse, providing a nuanced solution for applications where traditional methods fall short. Beat Bazooka 302. The Beat Bazooka 302 epitomizes innovation in the automotive world, specifically in tire maintenance. This tire inflation tool isn't just about pumping air into tires. It's a meticulously designed apparatus that streamlines the process of seating tubeless tire beads. Its ergonomic design, combined with advanced technology, facilitates quick and efficient bead seating without the need for a traditional air compressor. Roddy R8. The Roddy R8 emerges as a beacon of excellence in the realm of construction and rebar tying. This rebar tying tool is not just a time saver, it's a revolution in efficiency and precision. Operating on the principles of automation, the Roddy R8 swiftly and securely ties rebar with a finesse that elevates construction workflows. Its ergonomic design, coupled with intelligent features, minimizes strain on the operator, making it a valuable asset on construction sites where speed, precision, and operator comfort are critical considerations. Husqvarna Dexter 310. The Husqvarna Dexter 310 emerges as a formidable force in the realm of robotic demolition, embodying a fusion of precision and power. This remote-controlled demolition robot redefines safety and efficiency in the demolition process. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems, the Dexter 310 showcases remarkable agility and strength, allowing it to navigate complex environments and dismantle structures with surgical precision. Its remote control functionality not only ensures the safety of operators in hazardous situations, but also provides unparalleled control and maneuverability in challenging demolition scenarios. The Dexter 310 stands as a testament to the evolution of demolition technology, where human-machine collaboration maximizes efficiency and minimizes risk. Samuro Sky Screed 25. The Samuro Sky Screed 25 represents a paradigm shift in concrete leveling technology, showcasing innovation in the construction industry. This advanced concrete screed takes the traditional process of leveling to new heights, literally. Mounted on a telescopic boom, the Sky Screed 25 achieves precision concrete leveling with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Its innovative design not only streamlines the concrete finishing process, but also significantly reduces labor requirements. The Samuro Sky Screed 25 is a symbol of efficiency, transforming the way concrete floors are constructed by offering a solution that combines precision and speed at elevated levels. Caterpillar 657 E-Motor Scraper. The Caterpillar 657 E-Motor Scraper stands as a colossal presence in the world of earthmoving and construction. This behemoth of a machine redefines the capabilities of motor scrapers, combining sheer power with advanced engineering. The 657 is equipped with a robust scraper bowl and a powerful engine, allowing it to move massive quantities of earth with efficiency and speed. Caterpillar's innovative design integrates cutting-edge technology for optimal fuel efficiency and operator comfort. Dock buoy ship preparation. The dock buoy ship preparation system emerges as a game-changer in the maritime industry, specifically in ship maintenance and repair. This innovative system streamlines and expedites the process of preparing ships for maintenance, inspection, or repair tasks. The dock buoy's automated features, including adjustable platforms and advanced docking mechanisms, allow for precise and efficient positioning of vessels in dry docks or maintenance bays. Its adaptability to various ship sizes and types showcases its versatility in the dynamic world of maritime operations. Traffic Lines Dew Twister. The Traffic Lines Dew Twister emerges as a revolution in road marking technology, offering a cutting-edge solution for creating durable and highly visible road markings. This innovative machine goes beyond traditional road striping, incorporating dual-color functionality and advanced application techniques. The Dew Twister's precision in applying road markings enhances safety on roadways by providing clear and vibrant guidance for drivers. Its versatility allows for the creation of intricate road designs, and the machine's efficiency minimizes downtime during road marking operations. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.